Today I'm riding and reviewing the Kawasaki Ninja 300 in 2026, and the big question is it still a smart buy? Now, this bike has been around for a while, but honestly, it still feels relevant. The 296cc parallel twin isn't going to blow your mind with power, but it's super predictable and beginner-friendly. That's exactly why so many riders still love it. On the road, the Ninja 300 feels light, easy to flick through traffic, and really forgiving if you're just getting into sport bikes. The clutch is smooth, the gearbox is solid, and it's surprisingly comfortable for daily commuting. But let's be real, it's not perfect. The tech is outdated compared to newer rivals, no fancy TFT screens or advanced rider modes. And at highway speeds, you'll wish for a bit more power. Still, if you want reliability, low running costs, and a fun entry-level sport bike, the Ninja 300 still makes a strong case in 2026. So yeah, it's not the flashiest, but it might just be one of the smartest first bikes you can buy. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts below. Would you pick it in 2026 or not?